Hi, I'm Jenny France. I'm from Surfside Beach, South Carolina. Yeah, I didn't quite know what to expect when I made the appointment to attend, but I was very, very pleasantly surprised to see the professionalism, the attention to detail, and the information was presented very clearly for lay people especially. It was an excellent presentation. Answered a lot of questions. I didn't know if this was going to be, for lack of a better phrase, a fly-by-night, or if it was really legitimate, and it was very, very professional. And the names of the doctors that prepare the treatment, everyone is just been very, the information shared was very detailed. So I'm pleased that I found this place, and I'm expecting to make a consultation appointment today.